You probably believe that being nice keeps you safe, and that patience and understanding will make people stay. You trust that if you are easy to work with, people will see your value and choose you. But then something strange happens. Without warning, you are still there, still helpful, still reliable, and somehow no longer essential. You were not fired or rejected. You were quietly replaced by someone louder or sharper or simply more willing to take up space. And the unsettling question appears, how did this happen without anyone doing anything wrong? This is not about betrayal or cruelty, but about how nice people get quietly replaced. Most nice people grow up believing the same promise. Be agreeable, be flexible, do not make things difficult. You are told that good things will notice you, and people will choose you. But the part nobody says is that being easy to live with also makes you easy to move around. At first, it feels like maturity when you let things slide and do not push back. You say it is fine even when it is not, because conflict feels worse than silence. You would rather carry the discomfort yourself than hand it to someone else. For a while this works, and you are liked, trusted, and seen as the calm presence. But slowly, almost invisibly, your edges disappear. There is a moment you might recognize when you finally say something that matters to you. It lands flat, and someone talks over you, while another repeats your idea louder. The conversation moves on without you, and you sit there smiling as if it did not sting. Inside something tightens, not anger, but a quiet grief. Because being nice did not protect you, it made you blend in. Here is the uncomfortable shift. People do not replace you because you are not good enough. They replace you because they learned they could, not consciously or maliciously. They just adjusted to your absence before you ever left. Picture another scene. Late at night, staring at a message you keep rewriting. You want to say, that hurt? Or, I felt overlooked? Or, do I still matter here? But you soften it to add emojis and erase the sharp parts. By the time you send it, the message barely resembles the truth. When the reply comes back neutral or delayed, you tell yourself it is fine. Here is the twist. Every time you dilute yourself to keep the peace, you teach people how little of you they need. That is how nice people get quietly replaced, not in one moment, but in 1,000 small shrinks. There is a strange power dynamic where the one who asks for less usually gets less. The one who never demands clarity slowly disappears into ambiguity. Because you are kind and self-aware, you take responsibility for every misunderstanding. You over-explain, justify, and defend feelings that never needed a courtroom. You are explaining yourself to someone who already decided how much effort you deserve. That realization hurts because being nice was not the issue. Being endlessly accommodating was. There is another moment, a tense pause after you finally speak honestly. Not cruel, just real. And the room goes awkwardly quiet. You feel the urge to take it back to laugh and smooth it over. But that pause is not danger. It is adjustment. It is people realizing you are not as easy to move as they thought. And that is often when replacement begins. Because when you stop bending, someone else will. Here is the part that hurts most. Nice people are often replaced by someone less thoughtful. It makes you wonder if depth is a liability and sensitivity is outdated. You lie in bed, replaying conversations and moments where you felt yourself fade. You stare at the ceiling and realize no one is coming to notice you harder. No one is keeping score of how patient you have been. Still, this is not a call to become hard, loud, or selfish. The world does not need fewer nice people. It needs fewer invisible ones. Nice is not the problem. Nice without presence is. When you are endlessly understanding, people stop trying to understand you. When you are always available, people stop checking if you are okay. When you never leave, you teach them you cannot be lost. That is how nice people get quietly replaced. Not because they lacked value, but because they never made it inconvenient to ignore. So we return to the beginning, where you thought being nice would keep you safe. Safety is not the same as significance, and silence is not peace. Maybe the question is not, how did they replace me? Maybe it is, when did I step aside without noticing? Tonight, notice where you soften when you do not want to. Notice the moments you disappear politely, because being kind should never require erasing yourself.